Guys, I have some sad news for you. As of 2014, the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection for the Nintendo Wii has been permanently taken offline. But guys, there actually is a way that we can get the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection back. It's a very, very, very dangerous way, and there's only one way to do it. So guys, we gotta be very quiet because Nintendo they don't want us to find out. They might be listening. So the first thing you want to do is open a new incognito window, just for the extra protection. You're gonna type in dark web. That's what you're gonna type in. Alright, enough of the weird cinematic movie crap. It's not actually how you do it. What you actually have to do is just type in download Wii patcher for the Wii. That's all you have to actually do. And you're gonna click this first thing, Wii main page. That's what you're gonna click. Alright, and it will take you here. And then you're going to click on see Wii patcher for more details. That's what you can click on. I know it says not secure, but it's secure. Alright, some of these sites just say that because they think it's weird. And you're going to patcher for all other games. You're going to click on that. Download. And then you're going to click on the second link, Wii patcher -0.6.zip. You're going to click on that. And I've already downloaded it. So, and you're gonna press enter or just save, and it will do that. So, now you're gonna want to open up your folders. You're gonna make sure you have your Wii SD card in there, right? And underneath downloads, I already have one of them, so I'm just gonna delete one of them. But I mean, under auto Wii patcher, then you're just gonna right click, open, and inside, if you don't already have an apps folder, you can take this apps folder and drag it to your computer's apps folder, but I already have an apps folder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open that up and open my apps folder, and I already have the Wii patcher in there. So what but if you don't have the Wii patcher, then you're gonna take it, and all you're gonna do is you're just gonna click this and do that. Click that arrow so it goes to apps, and you're gonna click it and drag it into apps. And mine will say that it's a duplicate thing, so I'm just gonna click no. But if it's for you, you're gonna click yes. So you're gonna end up just putting it in there. All right, guys, and that's about it for the PC. You can right click eject on your SD card, and now your SD card is out. So now you can take it out, and now that it's out, then that's about everything for the Wii, for the PC. So I'll see you guys on the Wii. Alright you guys, now we're on the Wii right now. So after you get on the Wii, what you're gonna want to do is open up the homebrew channel. You gotta put in your SD card first as well. After you put in your SD card, then you're gonna want to open up the homebrew channel. And if you have many homebrew apps like me, then it will probably be on your last page. But if you don't have very many, then it will probably be on your first page of homebrew apps. So now it will do this, and it will waiting for game disk, loading into OS link module, and now the game will boot up. As long as you put in a disc that is online play that's been shut down by Nintendo Wi-Fi connection. I'm using Mario Kart Wii. So now it would just look regular, and then if you select play online, normally what would happen if you select play online was it would say connecting Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, and then it would just stop loading, and it would tell you there's either high trafficking or the servers are down, and it means the servers are down forever is what it means when it says that. But this, it will bypass it and not connect to Nintendo's server. It will connect to a custom server that someone else has made. So right now we can still, okay, we're just gonna do I'm just gonna do a race to prove it works. It sometimes takes a little while to find people online. Oh, never mind, no it didn't. We found I think it's nearly a full room. It was me, and then some guy from Japan, and then that Japan, Spain, Francesco from America, player from Japan, Miguel from wherever, I don't know. So now it just acts as the old server, basically. Like, it's basically the same thing. What it does is it just connects to a custom server and bypasses Nintendo's old server and stuff. Honestly, when I did this, like, it feels like I left the year 2020 and I went all the way back to 2010 when the servers were still up. That's how good it is. It basically like has the original servers down to a complete T. Like, it's exactly the exact same everything. It's the exact same. And yeah, we'll just wait for this match to end so that we can go to a new one. Alright, preparing the race. I'm just doing all this stuff just to make sure, just to prove to you guys it works, in case there's some weirdo who's like, well, you didn't prove it worked, yo, it must be fake. But it's not fake. Alright. I'm gonna pick Rainbow Road. Yeah, we have a nearly full room. A full room is 12 people. A nearly full room is 11 people. Yeah, guys, some other games I can think of that this works for is there's an official list, but the ones that were most popular were Super Smash Bros. Brawl. You can play online with Wiifi, and you can also play Mario Strikers Charge online with Wiifi. Someone is calling my phone, my house phone. That's which you hear the ringing from. Alright, I guess we're doing Mushroom Gorge. I wasn't paying attention. Let's hope I do good. I'm in 8th place, which is alright right now. This does bring me back, like, to the years of 2010 when I first got this game. Like, I remember all the things, like, exactly everything where, with, what was it even, they had, like, the hackers who they would hack into the game, and this actually, makes it hack-proof. So, like, you have to, what you would do to normally hack into the game, which this makes it impossible. Using Wiifi, you can't hack into the game. So, there's gonna be no cheaters online here. Because back in the day, what you would do is you download item hacks and you would put them on your SD card and then use Gecko OS and you'd be able to go online. But now you can't use Gecko OS through this. You can't even use Ocarina Codes through Revolution. If you try that, I tried that just to see what happened, and it kept saying, like, it just kept giving me an error message because I mean it detects that you're trying to cheat, so it makes it so that you can't cheat. hope I get a good item, like a power item or something. Okay, lightning, that works. Oh, bullet. Let's go. Seventh place, not bad. That's a lot better than last. Since I have low VR, I actually got plus 26 points. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial to get Wii was helpful for you. And I hope that if you guys are able to get this and you get it, then I hope to see you guys on Wii myself. So here's my friend code. It's 524586841540. Once again, 524586841540. So anyway, guys, I hope to see some of you on the Wii streets. Have a very good day, and I'll see you guys soon.